So, welcome to today's class on the Indian e-commerce website setup. Especially, we are going to conclude the topic on e-commerce website taxes setup. Okay, how to set the taxes, how to collect the different taxes, and the second thing is how to collect the Indian GST. So under Indian GST, we will be having three terms, right? CGST, IGST, and SGST, right? CGST, IGST, and SGST. So friends, see here. So this is country code India, country state code, we can say Telangana. Now TS is going to be changed with TG, right? And then postal code or city is not given here. So rate simply 9% CGST, and we can also, I hope we can, and the next one is here IGST, SGST, state tax, central tax, including 18% tax from the India and state Telangana. Okay, and these two taxes are set as the priority. As on the first priority, these two taxes can be collected. If I say the second priority, these central tax as second priority, what happens? First 9% SGST, CGST will be automatically applied as SGST, and then for the these CGST will be collected as the second priority. But if we keep the second priority, it may not be shown. On first priority itself, we have to see the both of these taxes are applied, because when we want to apply the two taxes at a time, then and we want to must apply the two taxes, then our priority should be first priority. Okay, on the first priority itself, we have to collect the taxes, two of the taxes. Then we have to give the priority as one. So these one, in this case, the country is India and the person is from not from the Telangana. Okay, then what happens for that person under the first priority itself, 18% GST by the name of Indian tax or by the name of IGST can be collected. So these are the some conditions we need to set like this. Then only all these taxes can be set up. Okay. And then if the person is not from the India and he would like to order, then the tax called US tax will be applied. Mm, And this much tax, whatever we are showing here, 10% is set up by us only. So according to the country, we can set these tax rates. Okay, we can set these tax rates. So I am now saving the changes. So after saving these changes, some friends, dear friends, if you want to add some more taxes, insert a row. Okay, insert a row will be added here. Okay, and if you do not want to add these row, then you can remove selected rows. So you can select the row and you can simply delete this one. And if you want to apply the shipping also, then we have to select the shipping option as well and click on the save changes. Okay, I hope now you got the clarity. Now once you go to the checkout page, and we can see here how the taxes are levied. Okay, so for example, here street address is not the same. Okay. Mm. So whenever you give all the details, and if you give the app to save your address, then whenever you just simply enter your just what can I say, the uh, any one of your district, town, city, or wherever you place here, what happens is the total entire, the address will be taken up by the app. So it will ask you whenever you go to order any order from the Amazon itself, even it will ask you to find out the complete details of the your area address, etc. And it will also ask you to save the address as well. So anyhow, so presently what I am going to show is only the demo how the taxes are going to be applied. For example, see here, if I selected the city as the United States here, so how much tax should be applied? 10%, right? So we have said for the US citizens that 10% tax is should be applied. So levied on the customer. That's why so 299 10% of 299 is 29. So that's why here 29 by the name of SGST. Not by the name SGST. Here by the name of US tax, right? So I am now what I will do is here I will I will refresh this page. Here you may find that the tax will be applied as US tax. Okay. So however the name you will give there, the name will be updated. Okay. So for example, if I am from the India and from the Telangana itself, okay, if I am from the India, see for example, if I am from the no, not from the United States. My country is India. India. Okay, then apply this one. Then here you will see that there are how many taxes they are going to be applied here. Shipping will be free here. Okay, Indian tax by the name of Indian tax. Okay, here the 18% GST, 29 plus 29 like that. How much here? 18%, not the 10%. 9%, 9%, 18%. So that is 53.82 by the name of Indian tax because we are not, see here, I have given the country name as India, but I hadn't given the town or the, the, what can I say, the state here. That's why uh, when I was not mentioned the state here, then what happens here? The Indian tax of 18% is levied. Okay, so that's why it is showing like this. For example, if I come here and if I select the state here, if I go to select the Indian tax and my country is India, and if I want to apply the Telangana state here, so then what I will do here, I will come and under the the state here, if I select the what Telangana, you may see that how the taxes are going to be levied. So here see how so on the first priority itself for the Telangana also we have said two taxes, right? We have said two taxes. What are those two taxes here? India. So if you do not want to give the common, then remove this common. Okay, this pin code address, etc. All these things you can remove this one, and the tax will be the same 18%. But CGST and SGST including it is showing up here by the name India. Okay. So the town, for example, here the state, country India, state, not, remove the state and address as well. Remove this address. So if you select the Telangana state here, there, what happens here is India and Telangana only if you select, what happens, the 18% GST will be levied on the customer. Okay. So for example, if you select not the Telangana, Uttarakhand, and if you give the other addresses, okay, so what tax should be levied on the person? What tax? Uttarakhand is also coming from the India. That's why it is showing that 18% GST will be again levied because Uttarakhand is also belongs to India. That's why Indian tax of 18% GST is applied. So if you select the shipping address and the details of other pin codes as well, if you give, so according to the pin code, distance, etc., it will apply. So like this, friends, these taxes can be levied on the consumers. Okay, these taxes can be levied on the customer. First one is what here. First one, what we have selected here. So India. So if the person is from Telangana, then 9% GST will be applied on it. Okay. So like this. Just wait. Just a oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. So uh, these these friends here. So here, see here, the first name, last name, company name. If you select the other country, if you select the other country, here what happens here? The complete details it will ask here. These 18% GST, for example, if the person is from Iran or any other country, Ireland, etc. So what happens here is we hadn't set the any taxes there, right? Okay. That's why here no any one of the tax is not applied. Okay. I hope now you got the clarity, friends. Okay. So we can also insert one more column like that. Okay. By mentioning there that so if the person is from world, okay. So country code, uh, we can leave the country code and we can mention any state and the tax should be levied. We can set up here. For example, if I would like to collect 10% of the tax, okay, by the name of country tax, by the name of just country tax, and if I would like to keep on the first priority, because if the person is from any other country, then these 10% tax should has to be applied. Then if it is my intention, then what I will do is I will set this one and I will save this one. Now we will see here. So no country has been selected here. If the country is from US, 10%. What if if the person not from the US? So we have given a tax code as country tax name, and 10% should has to be applied on the first priority. Now let us check here. So, for example, if the person is from the Ireland, okay, or Iran, any other country, now uh, you can see that here now country by the name of country tax, 29% GST has been, sorry, the tax has been applied here. Okay, I hope you got the clarity now. So, friends, this is how we can collect the taxes from the people, those who are coming to the e-commerce website. So this is all about the setting up of the taxes rate. Okay. And if you go to the next option, shipping, and how to select the shipping options, how to set different kinds of zones. Okay, so if you are going to apply free shipping for the entire India, you can select here. If you want to collect shipping methods, you can also edit the shipping methods here under India, free shipping, or if you want to collect the taxes from the other countries or the other, what can I say, the other states as well, then you can limit to specific zip codes like that. We can add this one. Okay, to add shipping method. So free shipping is a special method which can be triggered with coupons and minimum spends. So like that it is there. If you want to edit this one, you can go to the free shipping or no requirement. Free shipping requires or a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount you can set up here. Okay, minimum order amount you or coupon code, a minimum order amount and coupon also. We like that we can select. See, for example, when you open the Amazon site, it will ask you that, sir, if you are going to order at least 499, then your shipping is free shipping. So like that, how it was added. So by selecting the free shipping requires, so minimum order, right? Minimum order amount of 499. Okay, minimum order amount of 499 only is there. Then that the order is free shipping. Otherwise what? The what can I say? The charges will be applied. If you order 499 at least, then only free shipping. Otherwise, the charges will be applied like that. We can select it. Okay. So thank you very much for joining with us, friends. So for today's class, this is only. In the upcoming classes, we will learn about the, uh, you know, other topics of the e-commerce, like setting up of the complete shipping zones and receiving the payments, integration of the other payment gateways on our website, etc. And then emails, how to send the auto emails, auto responding emails, how to set the accounts and privacy. Okay, what are these accounts and privacy, etc. We can see there. Okay, on an e-commerce website, we can set all these, personal data retention methods, everything. Okay, so in the upcoming classes, we will learn about the other settings of the e-commerce website. Thank you so much for being connected here. Have a nice day.